Good day, sir. I'm going to discuss the area of and location of Region 10. Region 10 occupies a total land area of 14,193 square kilometers. It is bounded on the north by Bohol Sea, on the east by Agusan del Norte and Agusan del Sur, on the south by Davao del Norte, and on the west by Lanao del Norte and Lanao del Sur.
Good day, sir. I'm going to tackle about the provinces and the cities of Region 10. The Region 10 is composed of provinces Misamis Oriental, Misamis Occidental, Camiguin, and Bukidnon. It also has 5 cities: Cagayan de Oro, Tangub, Usamis, Ruquita, and Gingoog. First, Bukidnon. Capital city is Malaybalay City. Area and location. Bukidnon is a landlocked plateau bounded in the north by Misamis Oriental, in the south by C. North Cotabato and Davao del Sur, in the cast by Agusan del Sur and Davao del Norte, in the west by Lanao del Sur. It has a total land area of 829,378 hectares. And here are some of tourist attraction of Bukidnon. The falls are located along the Sairi Highway, less than a kilometer from the municipality of Sumilao. Del Monte is considered the biggest pineapple plantation in the Far East, which includes a famous world-class 18-holes golf course located in Cayawanon, San Miguel.
Areas and location. Camiguin is a pure ship island in the Bohol Sea. Hingoog and Makahalar Base separate it from mainland Mindanao in the south. It is approximately 54 kilometers southeast of the Chocolate Hills, some 90 kilometers north of Cagayan de Oro City Airport, and 10 kilometers north of Misamis Oriental. The island province has a total land area of about 300 square kilometers or 29,000 hectares.